Hello guys. Today, we are going to cover 5 best mirrorless cameras in the market, which are the best for you considering some valid reasons that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Panasonic Lumix GX85 4K digital camera. This Panasonic Lumix GX85 4K digital camera bundle is the perfect choice for photographers and videographers alike. It features a 16-megapixel mirrorless camera with 5-axis and body dual image stabilization and a 3-inch tilt and touch LCD. This bundle also includes 2 lenses, a 12 to 32 mm and a 45 to 150 mm lens, giving you the flexibility to shoot in a variety of situations. With 4K video recording capability and its advanced image stabilization technology, you'll be able to capture stunningly sharp, clear images and videos with ease. Additionally, this camera kit has a wide range of artistic effects and manual exposure settings, so you can get creative with your photography. Whether you're a professional or a novice photographer, the Panasonic Lumix GX85 4K digital camera bundle will help you take your photography to the next level. Pros: 4K digital camera for high-quality photos and videos. 16-megapixel resolution for sharp images. Dual image stabilization for steady shots. 3-inch tilt and touch LCD for easy viewing and control. Included 12 to 32 mm and 45 to 150 mm lenses for added versatility. Cons: price point may be too high for some users. Shorter battery life compared to some other models. Number 2. Our second best pick is Sony Alpha 7R for full-frame mirrorless interchangeable lens camera. The Sony Alpha 7R for full-frame mirrorless interchangeable lens camera is the perfect tool for serious photographers and videographers. With a powerful 42.4 MP back-illuminated exmor or CMOS image sensor, this camera produces stunningly detailed images with low noise and a wide dynamic range. The redesigned body is equipped with an ergonomic grip, 5-axis and body image stabilization, and an OLED electronic viewfinder with a stunning 3.69 million dot resolution. It also features an advanced autofocus system with 425 phase detection and contrast detection points, allowing you to capture sharp images in a variety of environments. This camera is ready to take on any challenge, whether you're shooting in the studio or outdoors. With its advanced features and uncompromising quality, the Sony Alpha 7R4 will help you create amazing photos and videos. Pros: high-resolution 42.4 MP back-illuminated exmor or CMOS sensor. Sharper and clearer images with a wide dynamic range. High-speed Bions X processor for superior image processing. Fast hybrid AF with 399 focal plane phase detection AF points. 5-axis and body image stabilization for steady shots. Dust and moisture-resistant construction. Cons: expensive compared to other models. Low battery life. Limited 4K video recording capability. Number 3. Our third best pick is Sony New Alpha 7S III full-frame interchangeable lens mirrorless camera. The Sony Alpha 7S III full-frame interchangeable lens mirrorless camera is the perfect choice for the professional photographer or videographer. This powerful camera offers a full-frame image sensor with 12.1 megapixels that can capture stunning, sharp images in 4K video recording that is sure to impress. The back-illuminated exmor or CMOS sensor boasts impressive low light performance and wide dynamic range for greater detail in shadows and highlights. The camera also features an ultra-fast Bions XR image processor for quick operation and fast shooting, and an impressive 5-axis stabilization system for improved handheld shooting. For creative control, the camera has an LCD touchscreen with intuitive controls and a large, bright OLED viewfinder for composing and reviewing shots. With a range of creative features, the Sony Alpha 7S III gives you the tools to capture stunning stills and videos. Pros: Incredible low light performance with ISO up to 409,600. 12.2 megapixel full-frame sensor for stunning images. 5-axis image stabilization for ultra-sharp images. Fast and accurate autofocus system. Full HD video recording at 60 frames per second. Cons. Poor battery life. Limited lens selection. Expensive compared to other mirrorless cameras. No built-in flash. No touch screen capabilities. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Olympus OMDE M1 Mark III camera body. The Olympus OMDE M1 Mark III camera body in black is an advanced digital camera designed for professionals and serious hobbyists. It features a 20.4 megapixel live MOS sensor for capturing high-resolution photos with incredible detail. With its advanced autofocus system and dual quad-core TruePic 8 processors, you can capture sharp, blur-free images with exceptional speed and accuracy. The camera can also record 4K video at up to 30 frames per second, and its 81 autofocus points provide excellent focus tracking performance. Its robust construction is weather-sealed and dust-proof, enabling you to take photos in any environment. For added convenience, the camera also features built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to transfer images and videos to compatible devices. With its outstanding performance and advanced features, the Olympus OMDE M1 Mark III camera body is the perfect choice for photographers and filmmakers who demand top-notch results. Pros. High-resolution 20.4 MP live MOS sensor. Fast and accurate autofocus. Advanced in-body 5-axis image stabilization. Robust weather sealing. High-quality imaging results. Advanced video features. Compact and lightweight body. Cons. Somewhat limited battery life. Complicated menu system. Expensive compared to similar cameras. No built-in flash. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Panasonic Lumix GH5 body 4K digital camera. The Panasonic Lumix GH5 body 4K digital camera is a powerful mirrorless camera with a 10.2 megapixel resolution and a high sensitivity MOS sensor. The camera is capable of capturing stunning 4K/4K UHD 4:2:2 10-bit video and images at up to 60 frames per second. The 3.2-inch LCD touchscreen provides easy access to the camera's menu and settings, and the dual SD card slots offer plenty of storage options. The camera also features a variety of creative features to help you capture amazing images, including a high-speed autofocus, 4K photo mode, and time-lapse recording. With its impressive features and performance, the Panasonic Lumix GH5 body 4K digital camera is the perfect choice for photographers and videographers of all levels. Pros. 10.2 megapixel mirrorless camera with high sensitivity MOS sensor. C4K/4K UHD 4:2:2 10-bit. 3.2-inch LCD. Lightweight and portable. Supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Cons. Expensive. Limited lens options. Battery life could be better. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Have a great day.